Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a transformation life coach and an author. And this video today is a technique to help you improve your attention and visualization processes. Now, if you're having trouble with visualization, this is the video for you. So, stay tuned. Hi, this video is on a technique to improve your attention and visualization process. And actually, I got the idea from this from another video I did on visualization, which I will put a link to. And it was from one of the comments that somebody was having trouble doing that, so I suggested she try this process. So if you're having trouble with this, make sure you write in the comments and I'll respond and help you with it. My channel is all about motivating you, inspiring you, and using the laws of attraction to create the life you want and that you deserve. So please hit that subscribe button. But let's get going on what this process is and why do we want to do visualization? Because our thoughts are creative. It's creative energy. And our thoughts manifest into our life because they go on all day long in our head and it goes into our subconscious mind, which is connected to source. So instead of just doing it haphazard, why don't you control what you want? Control those thoughts. And visualization is a great way to do it, but it takes practice. If you're starting a workout routine, you can't go to the gym one time and expect to see a difference in your body. It takes practice. And it's the same with visualization. And I like to use the analogy, if you're looking at a magnifying glass and you're just putting it all over, it doesn't do you any good. But if you take it and focus it on one area, it's magical how it works. Same with visualization. If you focus your thoughts on what you want, they'll come into your life. Or it could also, they could be used if it's something you fear. Perhaps you fear going into an elevator. So you can visualize going in, breathing okay, being calm and confident. But that kind of visualization takes practice. And sometimes we have to take little baby steps before then, especially because of the way our technology is. We want everything quick, 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 quick. So this is a technique, those baby steps. Now, if you want other visualization, I told you, I'll put the links to them because I've done a lot of videos on this. But the baby step is, I want you to take a photograph. It could be a photograph of yourself or anything. Or you can go online and maybe a photograph of a beautiful piece of art. And I want you to quietly look at it for 10 minutes. First look at the whole, and then look at the minute parts. Look at the colors. Look at the lighting. What do you find interesting about it? Then close your eyes and see if you can visualize it in your mind. Then open your eyes and see how accurate it was. Now, don't let your ego get involved. There's no right or wrong, and your ego's going to think, oh no, this judgment or this and that. No, just keep practicing this. Because if you practice with these small little steps on just a photograph, then when you want to visualize that new job, that raise, that new house you want to buy, you will already have built those muscles just like a workout. So try this. I know it works. Again, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I post weekly, and I'll also put links to other videos on visualization. Sending you lots of love and light. Till next time.